Hi, welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing the June 15th to the 21st spread this week. And I am going to be using some of these books here. This one here, I love these flowers. And I might be using from Hobby Lobby, this one here. I might use this one or this one. I'm not for sure, but I know I'm going to use this one here for Father's Day on the 21st. So let's get started. First of all, I want to cover her up. She's not going with my theme this week, so I'm going to put her here. And this one here came out of this collection here from Ron. And someone asked me what planner I was using, and this is the one I'm using, the Happy Planner book here. And this also open up so you can write little notes here too. That's what I like about those there. And I am going to get started here. First I'm going to use a lot out of this book here. So I'm going to use these girls here. I'm going to place them down here. And sorry about my hands, I was painting, so I got a lot of paint on my hands. So please excuse my hands. And I'm going to put some flowers there. I like flowers. I'm going to put a flower here. And flower here. Let me see here. And let me see. We are going to, I'm going to hold off there. I'm going to put this here. Okay, forget about that. And I'm going to use this here. Oh. Trying to go a little too fast. That there. Get some more pictures out of there. Oops. I'm going to put these here. And I'm going to go ahead and put them here for now. Had a big breakfast that day. I woke up very hungry and I was like, let me go in here and cook up me some pancakes, some eggs and some bacon, even though I was supposed to be having it, but I guess today will be my cheat day because I was hungry and that's what I woke up thinking about. And I had a cup of coffee to go with it. I did a little planning on this day here. And I made a little phone calls here. These stickers right here is coming out of this book here. And me and my little sidekick, we had fun last night doing all of those Snapchat, making different funny faces. And let me it says family time. We had such a good time doing that. And since I was messing up that day with the bad food, I just continue on because we had pizza that night for dinner. Woke up the next day, I know I'm going to have my coffee. And with the this day here, I get Happy Meal. Slept in pretty good this day. I'm going to make sure I don't forget to go on my lunch. And me and my friend, we supposed to go shopping. Sorry about the hands. Like I said, I was doing some crafting and all the ink. I mean, not the ink, the paint got all over my hands. It's hard to get it off, I'll tell you that. And let me see. Me and my family, we supposed to be having movie night. I know that. And let's see here. I know with the planning, I'm supposed to do some emails that day too. Yeah, that's what I did today. Have to remember I'll be doing so much. And I know for a fact I'm going to have to get to watch my YouTube family. Getting busy up in the YouTube streets and gotta visit everybody before I go to sleep. And I know this day I gotta do some house cleaning. Do my washing and stuff. I'm gonna do that. Household chores right fast. Don't we just love that? LOL. Oh boy. I'm not for sure what I'm going to be cooking that night, but I will fill it in. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be watching the TV. And I know I'm going to be doing some crafting. my craft. And I'm going to add some flowers. Add some more here. You know it's Sunday, so you can cover that up. If you don't, something is wrong with you, right? We are going to spice it on up. I already know this is my notes, but I'm gonna put this right here anyways. Right there. And I'm gonna use that big sheet I said. I'm gonna use this one. Right here. This picture of my father. He is 84. I'm giving him an extra 10 more years. 84 years old. He's a blessing. So I'm going to put that there. And I am going to some celebrations on it. Let's see, pardon. Used up all of those. Get some of these here. Put it right here. Get another television. No, wait a minute. Let's put a TV here. Let's put this here. Ooh, that is cricket. I might have to use a new one. Let's see. Yeah. Try to line it up. Everything we're going to watch on TV there. And then we're going to get, let me see what kind of flowers do I want right there. much. Okay. We are going to, let me see, get another flower. I love flowers, so I'm gonna cut this here. Right here. Maybe here. And I am going to leave some stuff blank because I do write in it. This is called Before the Pen. And when I'm thinking about it, this day here, I went to the doctor today, so I did do that. That was at 9 a.m. this morning. All right, and I am going to fill all of it in. I just don't want you guys to know all my business, but this is my layout before the pen for this week. Oh, and as a person asked me, if you don't have enough room to write everything in here, they also have inserts, so you can write your notes on here and you can stick it down on your page too, so that way you can have more to write on, or you just want to jot down. They also have these house sheets too, so it's plenty of room to write down all of the stuff that you did for the whole week. Thank you. Hope you enjoy.